Oh, Obunka, the land of my fathers. Our warriors are all lions. The youth of Obunka are great. They have fought a great fight. The men have proven that what belongs to us will always be protected by us. It might be costly, and it has been costly. I have lost my only son, son of his father, the heir apparent to the throne of Obunka. I know that some of you have lost your beloved, some wounded, but be consoled that from today, all those who are wounded or widowed will all eat from my barn. Yes. This place belongs to you. Feel free to come here for anything you want. You have proven that you are the true sons of Obunka. Please let the dead be buried.
Should you continue to cry like someone who has lost hope completely? Must you remember your dead father and friends who have gone with the land's war? The gods know why the war took them. If everyone continues to cry and gnash teeth over an issue that is already past,
the whole of Obunka will not be enough for us to stay. Will not be enough.
Kelechi, you don't understand. I'm a human being and not an animal. I have blood in my body and not water. Mama is lying in there without anybody to call her own child. My two brothers dead. Her only son, my father, dead. I'm all alone by myself. My grandmother is all alone by herself. I feel like killing myself.
I understand. That is why I'm still here for you. If not for the fact that my mother is bedridden, I would have come to stay here with both of you.
Now, whose voice am I hearing? Huh?
Is that of your grandchild?
Hey, no, Kelechi.
Mama.
Mama, dear. Nemo. Hey, Omalicha. Hey. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
How is your mother?
She's getting better.
She's getting better, eh? Hey. Welcome.
How can a human being do this to my grandmother? How can a human being shoot a name on her leg? Whoever did this, you shall never see peace in your life. His family is cursed. He shall never grow old. His sisters, his brothers, everybody in his family will die miserable.
Shh. Please, I don't agree with you. Nona, don't ever curse anybody. It's a taboo to curse anybody. Created by Ezechukwu Abiyama. Don't you know? It wasn't one person. There were too many. I was hearing varicose voices. Don't you know that the evil that men do lives after them? Haven't you heard? They were all marching, talking in baritone voices, deep voice, here and there, and all over the place. Then one person shot. The person when he shot already placed a curse on himself. He got that wrong. A curse on himself. Why? He placed a curse on himself. So I could question no one I couldn't know.
No. Let me clean it for you. No.
He's ready.
Sorry.
Why?
You shall be well, eh? These herbs will dry it up. To dry up fast. Nandi, get me water to wash my hand.
Okay, let me get water.
Hey, thank you very much. You know, since after putting this on, I will sleep very well this night. Thank you. Hey.
To dry. We should start drying. Nandi.
Dibia.
Thank you.
She will be chewing this. Make sure you give it to her at night. And keep it very well. Okay. My white cock.
Like I said, this thing you have done will allow me to sleep very well this night. Thank you very much, to allow me to sleep. As for your white cock, Mom will bring it to your house.
Okay, it's alright.
I
I shall be on my way then.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye, dear.
Thank you very much.
Lolo, long live my king.
His ancestors, I was the person that placed this crown on your head when you ascended the throne. I am the only person with your four in this Obunka. Among these elders gathered here, I'm their father because we are the first sons of Obunka. I'm sure you all know about this. I'm saying all these things because of what we had. And that is why we are here. To find out if this rumor going round the whole town is true or false.
Obiozo, you have started painting words. You can never for once go straight to the point in your life. We are not here to tell stories about the origin of Obunka. What kind of man are you? If you want to ask your question and stop beating about the bush.
Again. Obunka bends your mouth. What have I done?
It's okay. Elder.
What have I done? What have I done wrong?
Niche, calm down. We are here for the good of our town and of our children. Please, can we perch on the issue we have come for? Obiozo, you can now ask your question, please.
All right. Igwe, I personally heard that your daughter, Adugu, is opposing the promise you made to your subjects and the surviving subjects for that matter and the victims.
That she was shouting and ordering the people to drop the foodstuffs and the items you freely gave to them. Even in your presence. Well, this is embarrassing.
I greet you, my elders. It is true. She did all that. I am confused. We don't know what is wrong with her. Lolo and I called her last night. Sat her down with a view to finding out the cause of all this mayhem.
And What did she say?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing.
In that case, Your Majesty, we shall reconvene on the next Eke Market Day.
Not Eke Market Day. Let it be next Afro Market Day. Next Afro Market Day.
All right. The next Afro Market Day. Please, Your Majesty, inform the princess that the elders will be coming to speak with her.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Igwe.
Ijuwa ebola numo afofo wanke mukanjo emelumana kidima manemesia ifo wakazenjo ebo oboko wasiade
Nandi!
You poured your cup of water.
You see, they have taken my sight. Yet they don't want to take me. They come and take me now so that mine will die. Let me die and fuck off. Don't just know they go. They go, man, now let me die. How can they take my sight? They won't take me. Let them come and take me. No.
I've always told you nobody's going to take you away from me. Stop saying such things, please.
One breath, somebody is gone. You die. So because, Mom, I want you. I want to die so that I go and see my ancestors, see your father, see my children, see all of them. Then you know to my garage go. And I was him I'm hearing voices. But I want you to marry. I have children for me. I want to carry my grandchildren before I die. Because wamu chawonye dema ebe nebe chawonye dema ebe nebe chatonye dema marry so that he will have children for me, grandchildren for me. No go wamu because
Mne, I'll marry, okay? If not for this fight that has destroyed the entire community, I would have married long ago, you know.
Do you know why men marry? Why?
To show that they are real men.
No, men marry so that there will be procreation. Do you understand? Then the woman can go and marry and have children. The child will have another child, will be another child. Another child will be another child. That's why men marry.
I'll marry. Okay? So that will make you happy.
Yes. Chawonya dema ebenebe.
And let me go get water.
Chawonya dema ebenebe. No.
No, you didn't wash your hands properly. You still have oil on them. Can you see? Can you feel it? Let me help you wash it properly.
Thank you.
I was going to tell you something.
Hey, who is that?
No, it's Kelechi.
Kelechi, ma'am. Oh, no. Welcome, ma'am. Adabeke. No. Welcome. Is there anything?
Nothing, Mama.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Is there anything?
Nothing. Nem, so you have not been able to recognize my voice.
No, Mama. Forgive your grandmother. Oh? This fight took away my memory.
Manesia
You know, sometimes I wonder what life would have been like if my mother were alive. Nay, you are welcome. You know, even if the entire population of this kingdom forgets your contribution to the development of this great kingdom, I can never forget it.
Thank you.
You're marvelous. Marvelous, thank you. Very much. Oh. Your name? Haven't you been treating it?
It's my grandson who brought Alimbe.
Alimbe?
Alimbe, he has been treating it.
Alimbe, okay. I'll get in touch with him. I want to find out exactly what he is doing. I think he should be looking better than this.
Sometimes he pays me, and some other times he pays me so much. I wouldn't know what to do.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. See why I talk about you? Igwe, you are great.
Thank you.
You are great. Hi. Who says that there is no reincarnation? Tell that person that I am Bobo. Say that mouth should shut up. You are true incarnate of your grandfather. He was very soft-spoken. He cares about his people. He is very kind. Jidekiji, no? Igwe Jidekiji.
Thank you.
Blessings come from the gods. Keep on doing good for your people, oh. Because the reward is from the gods, not from man. There is nothing I can do for you. I cannot give you anything, you know.
Thank you. Go and get them some food stuff. Make sure you give them everything. Give them yams, corn, beans, rice, everything. You know, eggs, everything. And like I said, don't hesitate to come back.
Let me dance for my Igwe.
Are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine. I want to dance for you.
Are you sure you can manage?
Yes. Igwe, remember, I was Obunzebu. And your mother was Olubigo because she used to sing beautifully. She will sing. She will sing and sing and sing and sing and sing. Oh.
Why must you, old, demented woman, and you go to the palace to beg for food? Huh? Don't you have food in your house?
Nna, who is that? Huh?
Nna is Adugo, the princess.
Hey, Apuna wine. Amarisha mad. Achalugo. Opulo Kalia. Hey, what is the problem?
Hey, just hold it there. Just hold it there. Hold it. How dare you talk to me without your stinking mouth? And your maggot-filled legs. How can you call me Nne? Are you my mother? Can you ever be my mother? You this wretched old woman. Look at you. Look at your broken princess. How dare you talk to me?
Princess Adugo.
Who is your Nne? Are you stupid?
Princess Adugo. Oh, get out of this place. What's wrong with you?
What, me?
Don't you have respect for old age? What has my grandmother done to you?
How dare you call me that? How dare you call me that? You this monkey! You this fool! You monkey! How dare you? Huh? How dare you? How dare you talk to me like that? How dare you? You beggars! You fool! You fool! Beggars! Please, beggars! Beggars! Fools! Monkey bastard!
Let's leave.
You want to beg for food? You want to eat food?
Don't touch her.
Eat food! Eat food!
Don't touch her. Don't touch her.
Look at them! Hungry idiots! Get out of here! Get out of here! You have my right! We get challenged! The princess! How dare you!
Oh, get my stick! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Look at you, beggars! You keep begging multipliers, begging for food! You cannot be enough! You cannot be enough for you! Idiots! That's what you are! Foolish people! You want food, right? You want food! This is food! This is food! This is food! Eat! Eat! This is food! Eat! Eat! Not dead people! This is food! Eat it! Eat! Come and eat food! Come and eat it! Idiots! Nonsense! 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 Eat food! Nonsense! Idiot! 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 Nonsense! Come and eat! Food! Get my slippers! Come, give me this! Let's go! Fools! That's what you are! Nonsense! Hungry people! Very hungry!
Igwe, I greet you.
I greet you well.
Has your daughter spoken to you?
No, she hasn't. However, I have decided to leave it to you elders to handle, since she has decided, or she seems to be decided, not to talk to me.
Are you serious, Your Highness?
I did not speak with food in my mouth.
Lord, please call your daughter for us.
Excuse me. She's here.
Adugo, you are stupid. Why should you walk in here and cannot greet the elders? Are you mad or something? Who are you? I want you to kneel down and greet the elders.
Adugo, greet the elders of Obunka.
We don't need their greetings again. We don't need their greetings, Adugo. Adugo, why are you destroying the reputation of your father? Eh? Why are you trying to bring destruction on your head? Adugo, how dare you? How dare you destroy the food items given to his subjects by your father?
Adugo, those were the people that went to that war. Some others lost their lives in the battle. These ones, some lost their beloved ones. I, Ikem, lost 2 of my sons. But I'm not blaming anybody, because it is our war. We fought that battle and won our reputation back. We won our prestige. We couldn't have left our personal to our laboring communities. Adugo, if you were to be a man, I would have said something. Nevertheless, speak up and give us your reasons.
You all call yourselves elders of Obunka. All of you sitting right here are all stupid. I will not stand here and listen to your bunch of crap. Nonsense.
Adu, look at you. You are calling the elders of Obunka. Adu.
Fool.
Leave us. Adogo, what is it? Apart from the maidens, you and I are the only females in the palace. Besides, I'm your mother. If there's any problem, talk to me. Tell me. Speak to me. Cried all through while I was forcing her to speak to me. She said she wanted you over something, but you wouldn't listen to her. My lord, what was it she warned you about?
I don't know what you and your daughter are talking about. Anyway, I'll see her myself.
Please, my lord. It's better to see her now, Mama. Or should I call her?
I said I will see her myself!
Yes, Your Highness.
My princess, tell me what troubles you. Your mother told me that you said you warned me. What did you warn me about? You see, that is the problem with you. You keep mute. Keeping mute is not going to help us solve the problem. You insulted the elders, the kingmakers of this kingdom, by disrupting the promise I had made to my people. Why? Why are you doing something like this? A princess of your caliber should enjoy the love and respect and adoration of your subjects. Even if I, your father, if I wrong you in any way, you come to me and tell me. Now I want you to listen to me. There is one thing I will not tolerate. Any attitude that disallows my people from enjoying what I have promised them will not be tolerated. Do you have your ears open?
Just take a little time.
Just stop there! Stop there! So tell me, where are you coming from?
My daughters, I am coming from...
From the palace.
You are coming from the palace, right? So who gave you all these things you're carrying?
Igwe gave to my father. Igwe gave it to my father.
He gave it to your father? So you can think you can just wake up and just go to the palace like that, eh? And beg for food? Mate, destroy this thing! Destroy it!
Adugo, please help me.
Just please.
I got this pellet wound from the war I went to save our land. I lost everything I have. My wife, my other children except Osinachi, my last child. Please let her eat. I am dying. Have mercy on me and my little girl. Because...
Shut up! Shut up your smelly mouth! You think you can just talk to me without brushing your feet? Shut up! Who do you think you're talking to like that?
My father went to the war for the good of Obunka. His condition today is what he suffered for his people, including you, my princess. Why are you doing this?
How dare you, little rat! Talk before me like that! How dare you! Huh?
Oh! I have nothing to eat again. Oh, Mom, what did I do to deserve this? The gods are watching.
What? The gods are also watching you, this stupid, this old man. They are watching you. How dare you talk to me like that? How dare you open your stinking mouth and insult to me?
You must hear this.
Ihe niile dị n'ọhịa ka eji ama dibịa na dibịa ba na-ekwu ekwu na-eme ufia ọmụbara mbe ọkala akpụ ude netu ugbo n'ugo na-asa n'isi nka mbe gbara agụ na-asa wee ruo be ndị mmụọ
Please, run to Divya Alimbe. Tell him Ifatu's condition is bad. He will give you a medicine. Please, go. Go.
Ajunesi ogula. Kandu mweziga. Asina kwa wala wana ajwaga ajuve no ofia. Ay, igele. 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 Asina kwa wari iwe ni na kurucha. Okalusi. Ekwe. Omeleme. Anyana makana su. Eke. Oye. Ahwo. Nkwo. Nwammo enwebu na nwammadu. Nwammadu enwebu na nwammo. Osinachi, what is it?
It's my father. He's in a very bad condition. He said I should collect medicine from you.
Oh, Osinachi, my daughter. Nobody talks to me with tears. Wipe your tears. Wipe your tears and talk to me the way I will understand.
It's my father. He's dying. Please give me medicine for him. Please, I beg you.
Ifatu. No. You said your father is dying. No. Osinachi, my daughter. Don't worry. Let's go and see. Don't worry, it will be okay, it will be okay. It will be okay, it will be okay. Osinachi, get me water to wash my hands. Come down, huh? The fever will soon come down, don't worry. Yes. You use this cup to serve him water. Okay. Try. That's good. That's good. One more. Relax. The pains will soon come. Don't worry. Relax.
I want to tell you something.
Ifat, you just finished taking medicine. Huh? Relax so that the medicine will digest.
Dibia, let me say it. It is very important.
Very important?
Yes.
Okay, relax. When you say it, I will hear it. Just relax. Relax. Ifat, what is it you want to tell me?
Adugo has killed me.
How?
She destroyed all the food items the Igwe gave to me and my daughter.
Adugo.
She even insulted me.
Hi.
And pushed me to fall on the ground.
Hi.
Libya, please let something be done before it gets too late.
I will do something, don't worry.
Oh,
relax.
What did I do wrong for being a part of the fight to restore what belongs to our community?
You did absolutely well, Ifatu, you did well. Just relax. This medicine I gave you, it will calm down. Ifatu, what is it?
Nam.
Libya. this land.
Wake up! Now please wake up! Lydia! Please don't go! No! Now please stand up, please, please! Now stand up! Now stand up! Now please don't go, please! Now please, I beg you!
Your Majesty, I think we shall all gather. Your Majesty, evil has taken over Obunka land. Igwe, Niche, why are we folding our hands watching things go wrong?
Libe, please calm down, calm down. I've not seen this mood before. I've not seen this mood. Please explain better to us.
Niche, I greet you.
Your Highness, this meeting is strictly for men.
Excuse me.
The gods are angry. The gods are angry. Yep, Ifatu just died. Ifatu is dead. Oh! Yep, he was killed by your daughter, Princess, Your Majesty.
How did that happen?
Your daughter destroyed all the foodstuffs you handed over to a man who sustained injuries defending Obunka land. She cursed him, insulted him, and pushed him to the ground. Now he is dead, leaving his only daughter behind. Niche, something must be done. Something must be done to quell this undesirable catastrophe unleashed by your daughter, Your Majesty.
Tell me what is wrong with you. Speak! Or I'll kill you! I have spoken to you quietly, even in dreams. I have been a good father to you. Why on earth are you tormenting me? And why did you cause Ifatu's death? I said, why did you cause Ifatu's life?
Your Highness, please. Please. Please, my husband. Please. Please. Please, my Lord. Please. Thank you, my dear husband.
She's still not saying anything.
Stop now, please.
Now let me strangle her with my bare
Stop, Your Highness. Your Highness, please. Your Highness, please.
Has been very helpful to me. Anytime I call him, he comes. He has been treating this my leg every day. Anytime.
Arimbe. Arimbe is good. He's trying. Oh yeah. Where is Nandi?
Nandi, I sent Nandi to Eflu's also to go and see how they are doing. I haven't heard from them for a long time. So I said he should go and find out how they are doing.
Nekelechi. Oh, good. You did well. I decided to come and see how you are faring with your leg.
No more.
So, since Ifat died, I've been running around trying to put things together for his burial ceremony.
Who died?
Ifat, you know now.
How? Ifat is dead. Kedu Tuabu? How?
Adugo, Igwe's daughter, killed Ifat.
Hey, Kwano! Ifat, what? Hey! Ifat!
See your leg, girl.
How? What happened?
She met them. As they left with gifts, Igwe gave to them. He destroyed all these gifts, pushed Ifat to the ground.
Yeah.
Ifat went home sick and died.
Hey! Go. She did the same thing to me. Hey, I went with Nandi to go and see the Igwe. Igwe gave us some gifts. This guy came out from the palace, met us, took everything from us, destroyed everything, and even slapped Nnamdi. There must be something wrong with that girl.
She even did the same thing to you?
Yes.
Huh. But why is she quarreling with gifts from her father?
I don't know. Ifat is dead.
That girl must be running mad.
Ifat is dead.
Hi.
Hello.
Guards.
Your Majesty.
Go to Ifeatu's house. Tell his daughter that I and Ndichie would like to see her immediately.
We shall do so, Your Majesty. Let me check. Okay. Wow. I don't see anybody. Everybody's dry.
Oh, here she is.
Little girl, how are you?
Little OC.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Thank you. I hope there is no problem.
No, there's no problem.
Igwe and Ndichie say we should bring you to the palace.
You said there is no problem.
No problem.
Just get prepared, let's go.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna arrange some things.
Okay.
Are you done?
Yes, let's go.
Okay.
Oh, here they come.
Her Majesty, she's here.
You're welcome, my dear. Well, I sent for you. No, Ndiche. We just heard about what happened to you and your father, Ifatu. Just like to tell you that we are sorry.
Come, my daughter, come. Come.
My daughter, dry your tears, oh? Dry your tears. We are all here to help. Nothing will happen to you.
Now you will go and get your belongings and you will become part of the palace. From today.
Thank you, Your Highness. You will live long.
Sure. He will surely live long.
Yes. Yes.
Wipe your tears. Guards.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I want you to go with her to her home. Collect all her belongings. Nothing must touch her. Is that clear?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Not even an ant. And you bring her back here safely.
Yes, Your Majesty. We shall do so.
Kelechi, how long will you cry? You've been crying all day. Can you just wipe your tears?
What did I do? What did I do?
Why
has life chosen to treat me this way? What did I do?
You haven't done anything wrong. Just wipe your tears. I'm here for you. I'm your brother.
Leave me alone.
Kelechi.
Help!
Kelechi, please. Kelechi, it's okay. I'm here for you.
Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Stop this. Okay. Kelechi, listen. I'm here for you. I'll always be here for you. I promise you. Okay?
Just leave me.
Kelechi.
It's me, Nandi.
What happened to you? Kelechi, what kept you so long? Nandi, what kept you so long? I was worried now. Hi, Seifulu and Kelechi. I was so worried. Kelechi, Who is crying? Onye? Onye lebe?
Name is Kelechi.
Kelechi, did you quarrel with Kelechi?
No, I didn't.
Kelechi Gatangwam, come. I know Chanwoga. Come. How is your mother? Come now. How's it food? My dream does not tell me lies.
Did you send out one of the cars? Hey, you, come here. Who has taken out one of the cars?
Your Highness, Princess Atungo drove the car.
This girl. All right. Lock the gate. Nobody comes in until I say so. When she arrives, call me. I think we'll have to go and wait a bit. I want to see this through.
Open this gate. Are you blind? Open the gate.
His Highness gave instruction that I should not open the gate for you.
What? Are you mad? Are you crazy? Come on, open this gate!
Excuse me, my princess.
Can you imagine this fool? This nonentity! Can you imagine what you just said to me right now?
My princess, what is happening?
He said that the Highness gave me instruction not to open this gate for me to enter. That means we're in trouble.
What do we do now?
Let me see. I will bust this gate open. They don't even know me. This gate is coming down.
Your Highness, the princess is back.
Where is she?
Outside the palace gate, Your Highness.
Go open the gate.
Okay, Your Highness.
Come here. Who permitted you to drive the car? Who permitted you? And where are you coming from?
She asked us to follow her out.
To where?
We only went to buy shoes at the market.
So where are the shoes?
It is with the princess.
Can I have the shoes? I said, can I have the shoes and the car keys?
Adugo, your father is talking to you. Where are the shoes?
And the car keys. And come back here. Let this be the last time that you will touch any of those cars without my expressed permission. Is that clear? Now you may go. No one touches any of these cars without my permission. Is that clear?
Yes, Your Highness.
Is that clear? Good. Now you. I did not assign you to her to be as stupid as she is, as useless as she is. You better be careful. Or do you want to see my anger? Get out of my sight.
No fuck Ideji Awana. Mbuka ulunu ide wala. Ya mbuka uzale bana wi helolalo. Ebe. Ogene pa chera lonu na kwenu. Momo ya nazikwa. Asi adwa de lengega okwa na ezi wodona Your Majesty, your daughter's behavior is not related to any man-made spirit. It's her personal decision. And I want to assure you that there is nothing wrong with her mental health. Absolutely nothing, Your Majesty.
Thank you. Thank you, Adimbe. But what exactly do you suggest we do?
Your Majesty, with time, she will change. With time, Your Majesty.
Nandi, huh? What type of man are you? I don't like men that are soft-hearted. So you mean a girl slapped you and you just stood there, you couldn't do anything because she's a princess? Some men will not take that too.
Do you expect me to hit a woman? I mean, the fact that she's a princess does not concern me. I was only respecting her womanhood, that's all.
So that was why you stood there and watched her insult our grandmother. That girl should not drag her father's name in the mud.
She warned that we shouldn't come to the palace anymore. We are not going because don't like people insulting me.
What's wrong with the girl, Seth? Does she own the palace? All those food stuff are her father's promises to his people. What's her own, Seth?
Not happy at all, because since your late husband was brought back dead from the wars, I have not laid eyes on you. Yes, put it down. Thank you. Have I offended you?
No, Your Highness, you did not.
Or is it because of my daughter's unruly behavior?
I'm so sorry, Your Highness.
Or have I offended you, my dear?
Yes.
This is your house. This place, this
you,
palace belongs to every citizen of the kingdom.
Thank you very much, Your
Oh, yes. Feel free. Come in here and ask for anything. Anything. Feel free. This is for you.
Thank you very much, Your Highness.
When it finishes, come back for more.
Thank you very much.
You are most welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me look for something for my little girl here.
Oh, Your Highness, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome.
May God bless you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm sure you're not deaf. So you want to dare me, right? You want to dare me? That's why you brought your miserable self to the palace to beg for food, right?
Princess, I don't understand.
You don't understand. Okay. Mate! Destroy it! I said destroy it!
Please, don't do
this.
Please, don't do this. Please.
Next time.
Don't do this, princess. Please.
I will just run away. Destroy it!
Please.
Destroy it! It's yours. Nonsense. I said destroy that one. That one. Destroy it. It's yours. You're crying. Hungry people. Look at you. Beggars. That's what you are. Let's get out of here. Come on, let's go. Disturbing me morning, afternoon, and night, begging. What's all this? Nonsense.
This minute before I commit murder. I want you to gather all of her belongings, all of them, and throw them out of this palace.
Your Highness, what has she done again this time?
What has she done? Now, and her daughter came here this morning. I gave them some food stuff. On her way, your stupid daughter stopped them and did her usual.
Hey, God.
I don't want to lay my eyes on her anywhere in this palace anymore. I cannot be a father to someone who is totally irresponsible.
Your Highness, please. Your Highness, please. She's our only child, please.
Don't beg me on this. Please. Please.
Hey. How could you do this? After all the pleadings from your father and I? Do you think you can dare Obunka people? Or even wrestle any of them? If not that you're a princess. Anyway, your father is threatening to throw you out of the palace. So I will advise you to go and plead for his forgiveness right now. Or I will allow him carry out his threat. Are you deaf and dumb? I said, go and plead for your father's forgiveness.
My own concern is that I don't know if the elders or the entire Ndiche of Ubunka community has done something about this girl's behavior. What is all this? So we can all die because Adugo is a princess.
What do you want them to do? I even heard she's an Obanje. Yes, I think they should take her to Oudibia for proper cleansing.
Who told you? Even if she is her limb not good enough to find out?
I see. So the Obanje is responsible for all the wicked characters she's been exhibiting?
Yes, of course. But let me warn you girls, so I don't want to hear this thing from any other person's mouth. Me, I told you guys because we are my friends. Me, I'm going to the market too. I come. I go where? Okay, bye-bye. Wanu. Let's go walk.
I saw Ichie Wunde on my way back from the farm this morning. He asked after you, and he also said Igwe is not happy with you.
Hey, Igwe. Over what? What did I do?
He also said that it's possible you're bearing grudges in mind over what the princess did to you.
Pardon, Cha-Cha. I'm not bearing any grudges. It's just that I remember in those good old days we danced at Atilogu dance.
Atilogu?
Atilogu Egu. That is Igwe's mother and myself. I was called Obunza Egu.
Obunza Egu.
Obunza Egu. That is in the forefront. I used to be a beautiful dancer. Then Igwe's mother was called Onubigo.
Onubigo.
Yes, she was singing for us with beautiful voice. And she used to dance well too. Very tall woman. Beautiful like that. And Igwe was very small that time. I know he won't forget me. He won't forget me at all. We used to be together all the time. Either I'm in the palace with the mother or the mother was with me in my house when your father was alive. But what you will do is You know, I don't bear grudges for anybody again. Tomorrow you go. Tell Igwe. Oh, tell Igwe I'm not bearing grudges, you know. That is just that this my leg. My leg is paining me too much, and this my eyes. I can't see anywhere. But I will try. I'll try to come to the palace someday.
Ne, do you want Oroma? Orange? Did I get for you?
I don't want.
Can you keep it down?
Your Highness.
You are welcome, my children.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
How's your grandmother?
She's fine. She's getting better.
Good, good, good. You know, your grandmother is wonderful. She's very brave. You know, when you see her, you think she has never been toasted before. And she never sucked her mother's breast. Good, good. Please, continue to take good care of her.
We will, Your Majesty.
We are taking good care of her.
But I don't know you.
I am Efulu's daughter.
Oh.
Was only daughter.
Yes.
Yes, Your Majesty.
She's my cousin.
How is Efulu?
She's dead.
Oh, my God.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, my dear.
May her soul rest in peace.
See.
Well, you are her children now. Take good care of her.
We will, Your Majesty.
God.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Give them whatever they want.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
Your Majesty. The people are getting happier every day. You were supplying these things.
Well, we are delighted that we are touching the people.
Oh, thank you.
That is the idea.
Just stop there! Stop there! Stop! I have told you and your stupid grandmother to stop coming to the palace to beg for food. You are a fool! You are just a lazy fool! That's what you are! Can't you walk? Can't you just do something once in your life? Oh, fine. I know what you want. You want to test my rods, right? That's what you want.
Princess Adugo, I am not a beggar. My grandmother is not a beggar either. Your father sent for us. So why don't you go and learn some manners? Learn how to talk to people.
What? Did you just ask me to learn some manners? You're an idiot! That's what you are! Mate! Destroy all these things! You dare touch this thing, eh? Get away, my friend! Get away! Come and touch it, let me see! I will skin both of you alive! That's what you think. What will you do? Touch it, let me see! Destroy them! Destroy them! Get away! Who gave that to let me see? Are you stupid? Come and touch it, let me see!
And as for you, useless princess, are you not ashamed of yourself?
Say Pim! Pim! Let me give you the sign to eat here! Idiot! Me! Me! You're a very big pig! That's what you are!
I agree! I am a pig, yes! But say Pim again if I won't give you this sign to eat. Princess, my queen.
Just say Pim! Pim! Mate! Destroy it! Come and destroy it! Let me see! I command you to destroy it! Come and destroy it!
That girl is very stupid. Very, very stupid. She should be very grateful that I did not touch her. Because if I had touched her, I would have taught her a lesson of her life. What kind of useless girl is that now? So after all this long trek to the palace and back, we should have gone back home without anything.
I told you, she doesn't have manners. I so hate that girl.
I hate her! She should just thank her God.
No. Beckham, please stop being annoyed, no? Stop being annoyed. Nobody touches the princess. It is a taboo in my community.
So Mama, because she's a princess, she should just kill everybody. Because probably she's Her Majesty. She should talk to anybody the way she likes, insult anybody the way she likes. Just like she insulted you the other day.
I didn't say she should insult people. It's just that a princess is an honor unto her people. She is. You don't insult her. You know she's untouchable. It's just that in this girl I do go soon. I got her as she keeps going on and on, insulting everybody. All my life, I've never seen such a thing. I have not. Come and lie me down. Born and I'm tired. You could be one.
Who is she? Where is she from? She had the miserable guts to challenge me. Oh, no. Did this happen live? Or was it a dream? What gave her the impulse? Okay, fine. I must know whose daughter she is. Adugo, the princess in this community. Huh? No problem.
Please put yourself together. Put yourself together. Let me go and call him.
The prince will soon stop, eh? Now, go and mix this with water fast. Bring it fast. Elili malungu. Nguro malungu ekele elili.
Chimo. Hey, Papa Be, Daddy Mo.
Keep this. Make sure you rub it on her leg every night and first thing in the morning. She will be fine. She will be fine.
Man, pack up, man, pack off. I should not pack off. I should not pack off. This girl, he got one of them now. He got one of them
What is it?
Nne said I should give you this cock. It was after you left that she remembered you were supposed to go home with it.
Abala wanyo fobunka. Okwa na agadi nwanya na aga odoko na umu nwoke gburu ori ofefe na ugbu ọnwa. Tell her that a woman of her age does not need to appease the gods twice. Return this back to her.
I should return it?
Yes. Tell her it's well. Bye-bye.
I don't think I know that girl too well. Although I heard she's Namdi's cousin or nephew.
Ne, this is not Tales by Moonlight. I know my baho. Live.
Are you serious?
I said Dugo could not move from where she stood, even after that girl had left. She stood like one carved image.
Hey!
What a shameful scene. Do you know we were even expecting her to react? She couldn't do fit.
But wait, from what you're telling us, what do you want her to do? Adugo that doesn't have one single strength she doesn't have. Do you want that girl to kill her?
Left for me. That girl should have pushed her inside that stream. Useless princess.
Oh, nonsense princess. Dochi, that's her right.
Tell me, let me be going. Continue.
Hey, princess.
Let me go and hear this shit.
I bet go and hear, yeah. Tomorrow, tell me more. Hey!
Hello. You're welcome, my dear. Welcome. Now, I want you to go to Unaku's house for me. You will take some things and you're going to give to her. I'll tell her that I, EDOCHIE, we just heard about what happened, that we're sorry. And that I would like to see her as soon as possible. God, you will go and make up a big, good basket of everything. Yes.
Where are you taking these things to?
The king asked me to take it to Unaku.
Fine. Go back and tell the king that I, the princess, have destroyed it. Girls, destroy this thing! Even there. Don't even dare. You again. When lions like me talk, rats like you run away, and I will crush you with my bare hands and feed the steady skin to the vultures.
I'm sure you know that when a dog wants to wrestle with a lion, it will surely cease to breathe. Think before I seize your breath.
I said wait. Go and deliver your message.
And for your information, I am going to the palace as usual. Don't even think of standing on my way back. If you doubt me, try it. Let's go.
How dare you? What will you do? How dare you? Nothing.
What will you do? What will you do? Don't even think of standing on my way back. If you doubt me, try it. Let's go.
Who is here? Ndewo.
How are you?
The king sent me to give this to you.
All this for me? Hey! Chisom, Enapuka. Hey! Hey! Chineke imela o. Ha! Your Highness, you will surely live above your forefathers. No evil shall befall you. It shall be well with you. Hey! Continue doing good. The gods are watching you. Take it inside. Hey! Hey! My daughter, thank you. Please, let's go. Let's find you something to eat, okay?
Market days, the celebrations.
Your Majesty, that's the main reason why I am here. Everything is in order. In fact, I can say that the gods are already waiting to share in the feast because they are with us.
That's good. That's good. So, when do I bring the white ram?
As soon as it pleases Your Majesty.
Why did you take those things away? Why did you take those things away? Are you deaf? And I'm talking, I'll just kill you now if you don't answer me. Why did you take those things away?
This is my princess. I only obeyed the orders of the king. I'm sorry if I offended you.
And you obeyed that idiot and walked out on me,
What's that?
You obeyed that idiot and you walked out on me. I will kill you. Nonsense! Look at you. I'll just deal with you. Fool! Nonsense. I will deal with you.
We'll find out what the hell is going on inside this thing there. Who did this to you? Who? Who?
Your Majesty, please calm down. Calm down.
Hey.
Open your mouth.
Sorry. Sorry. Tell me, who did this to you?
The princess.
What did you do?
You sent me to Naku's house.
Yes.
She stood on my way and tried to destroy the food items. One young girl interceded and disallowed her. As soon as I came back, she started beating me.
Adugo right now.
Yes, sir.
Get her here.
Yes, sir.
Yes? What is it?
The king wants to see you.
Tell him that I am coming.
Sorry, my princess. He said you should come with me now.
Why? Why did you do this to her?
Eh? Your father is asking you questions and you are keeping mute? Oh! Adugo, why are you a problem to this very kingdom? Why are you tarnishing the image of this great palace, Adugo? Hi! What has this little girl done to you to deserve this ugly treatment? Adugo, why are you being wicked out of nothing? Shh! Eh? Your Majesty, I, Movalimbe, I, Okala Pub de Netu Benu Gona Sanisi. If not because of something, I'll teach you. I'll teach you that I do become a do then. Don't must you will I don't must you will
I don't want anyone to follow me. I want to be alone.
Sorry, my princess, why do you want to walk alone?
You have not spoken to us. What is it?
You heard me right. I said I don't want anyone to follow me. I want to be alone.
I want to get something. I'll be back very soon.
Hey! This is... Hey! This is strange! In Obunka land! Okalabu dele. Tu wenu go na sanisi. Mbana. I have no idea. What a strange thing in the Munkaland. What do you about to do? No,
Now she deserved it.
Yes.
You deserved it. What happened to her? Chief, I don't know. I just heard a voice and I came out. I saw her already falling on the ground. Hey,
please. Let's carry her back to the palace.
No, we can't touch her. She's a wicked princess. Carry who? This witch. She deserves to die. She doesn't deserve anybody's help. It is better she's dead.
Yes. Please. She is still our princess. Let's carry her to the palace.
She died here.
Yes.
Look at her. Look at the way she's lying.
The problem is that we don't know what is wrong with her. She wouldn't listen to me. As if she's the only young woman in this kingdom. It is said that if a rotten tooth is not removed, then the mouth must chew with caution.
Your Majesty, let us not blame anybody now. The only thing we do is look for solution.
Rubbish. Absolute rubbish. Let her die.
No! Your Majesty.
Yes, let her die. There are people out there without children and they live. They live happily. Guards!
That's no yazilo bananse. Listen, Sensei. Your Majesty, your daughter has chilled wrongly. She went and destroyed the shrine of Obunka and the agents of the spirits. Your Majesty, the gods have washed their hands off.
Hey.
Ocha.
Please, let us look for a solution. She's our only child. We won't let her die. Please.
You heard all the Dibia said. So what else can I do? Obviously to fight the gods. Now tell me, what have we not done for the sake of that girl? No, she has brought all this calamity on herself. My dear, Adugo does not deserve your tears. Wipe off your tears, my dear.
Again, please. Just one more chance. Let us look for a solution, please. Please. Please, Your Highness. Please, my king.
Very well. I shall get in touch with Alimbe. Let us hear what he has to say. Wipe your tears.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Oh, my leg. My leg, oh.
Nne, I was going to ask you. You know the princess hasn't woken up after that incident. I was thinking, what could be the solution to our problem?
Solution? The gods are not wicked now. So there must be a solution. Surely there must be a solution. You gotta go. That princess is just but a child though.
Solution? What solution? Mama, the gods should kill her.
Hey! Don't talk before the gods strike you dead. No.
Your Majesty, you are to send for the EDOCHIEs. First thing in the morning, we will all proceed to the Ngene tree. First thing tomorrow morning. None must wash his morning face nor his mouth. They will come along with alligator pepper. Your Majesty, you will visit Ngene tree with a cock. All of us will trek to Ngene tree, including you, Your Majesty. That's what the gods said. Udumodum gane. Ibwanye danda. Kugu nisi. Oloko ne lo na ya dago. No kwa na ale mbe. Udumodum gane. Okwa na ale mbe. Okala ku denetu gbonugo na asa n'isi. Ai se kai bia. Okay, we are here.
You all came to seek for a solution. Igwe, your daughter is close to death. But because of your goodness, they do not want to kill her. Go. Engage young, brave men who should hunt for the bone of a lion, dead or living lion. They should also look for Adinu leaf. Whosoever gets this bone, they say, should know how to apply it.
Please, can't you do this thing for us? I will pay whatever you ask.
Igwe, you have heard from the gods. You are going to engage those young men. Persuade them to get the bone. Whoever gets the bone should be her husband.
The gods asked me to gather young men for a hunt.
What kind of hunt?
The bone of a dead lion or a live one is what is required for the survival of our daughter. Whoever finds this bone will know how to apply it, and he will eventually marry our daughter.
Not a bad one?
No.
So, what are we still waiting for?
I am still trying to work out how I'm going to approach...
Your Highness, please. Stop thinking. Send for the town crier immediately. Let him assemble all the young men here first thing tomorrow morning.
Right. Okay, yes. Wait, that's a good idea. Thank you, dear.
No, you called me.
Yes, I did. Come and sit down, Mom. Sit down.
Let me help you.
Sit down. Aye.
Sorry.
Sit down. You heard the Igwe's pronouncement, okay?
Oh, yes, I did.
You're going to join the young men for the hunt, so?
Huh?
You join them, Biko. I told you that girl Adugo is granddaughter to my best friend, Igwe's mother. So you're going to help.
Nne, if you're talking about somebody else, I will. But if it's for that stupid girl that calls herself a princess, I won't.
You help, oh?
No, don't even say that.
Nandi.
What?
Nandi.
No, I can't do it. Don't be saying this kind of thing.
Draga. I never knew it was you. You are the person that is there.
Agro, are you back for the search already?
Which search? No, I'm not looking for the bone. I'm only interested in the adeno leaf. At least if I see the adeno leaf, I have gone half.
Ite, I know you were wasting your time yesterday when you were reacting that your kindred are known for herbs.
Don't insult me. Okay, you that your kindred are known for herbs. Where can I find the adeno leaf?
Ite, adeno leaf. You see, I am very sure that you cannot find the adeno leaf around here. As for me, I have not seen the leaf with my eyes. It was my father that told me. I have not seen it. But I'm quite sure that you cannot find it around this area. You have Bogo and Okazi here.
Let me still go. Let me still try. I'm trying. It's not easy for somebody to get ready and begin to go for a search.
Go behind the mountain, deep down.
Yes.
Manachara, go. I hope you have some protection in case you see the lion.
We are talking about protection. Do you know what is this? Water. I have my water. I have my Imma.
Hey!
You want me to show you something?
Wait, fire the lion when you see the lion, you know?
Biko, wish me well.
Ite,
thank you very much. Let me go.
Itana, Ite, Odum ne Bukwago. Charago.
Let me know why I can't find this leaf.
I can find it. I'm going very inside. Very. The search has just begun.
Canary, no yo. Hey, Okosije. Aga makoro nyuwaya. Hey. Ite. Nabo.
Nnamdi. Where are you?
I'm behind you.
What I am telling you is that you should go inside that house. Go into your father's room and carry his gun and clean it. Very early tomorrow morning, go for that hunt in Anuyemneku.
Mama, I don't understand why you want Nnamdi to go for the useless hunt. Who is Adogo, if I may ask? Who is the princess? Who is she? Mama, that girl does not deserve anything good from anybody in this kingdom. Not after all the insults you and Nnamdi and every other person in this kingdom got from her. Ha!
Ne. Nobody has agreed to go for this search. All the young men in this community, they're all resting in their houses. I don't know why you keep insisting I go for this search, Ne.
You see, stars don't struggle to shine, and the wind don't struggle to blow. If not for the relationship between me and that family, I will not be telling you all these things. Okay? And what I see lying down on this my mat, even if you children, two of you climb an iroko tree, you won't see it. Adejikwenu ambagalog. Cha-cha. If you beat a child with your right hand, you draw this same child back with your left. I heard that the Igwe promised marriage to whosoever finds those things. But it is not because of it that I am telling you to go, no. I just want that girl to be well, that's all.
Mama, then Adogo should die. If that is the case, she should die because she deserves to die. Ha!
Let me ask you. If you were in that Adogo's position, what will you do? Tell me. Kanjogi, what will you do? Bano Loki Welunya Baby. Oh, future, what do you go? You go for that hunt to become one.
Do you want to go?
No. I won't. Why should I go? Am I the only young man in Obunka community? Why is grandmother insisting that I go for the search?
See, you have to listen to me. I'm sure she has a point.
What point?
Calm down, please. Calm down. You don't need to get yourself worked up. Huh? Look at me. Don't worry. Go inside. Tell Grandma you are ready to go. We should learn to have the spirit of forgiveness. As for me, I have already forgiven her. You should also forgive her. Please, my brother. Please.
Kelechi, how do I find the lion's bone?
Nnamdi.
It's me, Nnamdi.
Oh, it's you? Okay. I'm gonna.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's too tight for you.
Thank you, one. That one.
I'm ready to go for the search.
Ibiano, you have made me very happy. Very, very happy. You know I'm your grandmother. I can never deceive you. And you know, I love you very, very much. I love you, no. Let me tell you something. 4 days before the Obunka war that took away your father's life, your father told me that he killed a lion. Yes, at Umizu forest, and buried it under the Okpaka tree, very close to Adioko tree where Odobolo hung himself. Remember when you were very young, I took you to that our land and showed you where Odobolo hung himself. And you know the Okpaka tree in our own land is still there. They didn't cut it down. When you go, what I don't know is whether it was buried on the right or on the left. So when you get there, you dig up the place under the Okpaka. You will see the bone of the lion. Take it. No. Remember to take gun and knife or cutlass. Cutlass.
What about the leaf?
Adinu leaf. Adinu leaf is any leaf found beside a stream or a river. That's Adinu. Any stream you see, you take Adinu leaf. No? Don't forget to take your gun. No. Take machete and take yam that you will roast when you're hungry.
But I don't need the gun. The machete is enough for me.
You need gun. Gun gives power. If you see anything, you need to why? To why? You know? In Agakwe Binaga. You will machete. You'll be clearly in your way. No? You'll be cutting grass, cutting everything. No? You will go. Okay. What I want is Ije, my God, Chimu, and the gods, Nananya, our ancestors, they will all go with you. The gods will go with you, no? Our forefathers will go with you, no? They will guide you. I want you to bring this thing to save the princess. You know, princess is the granddaughter of my best friend. So you get put another back.
Kelechi, why are you crying? Come. I'll be back soon. You don't have to cry. Remember, you encouraged me to go.
It's okay. I'll be waiting.
Sit down. Why do you look so glum? What's the matter?
Your Highness, is my princess going to die?
No, my angel. The princess is not going to die. the solution to her problem, we believe, will be found soon.
Can I see her to tell her sorry?
Of course. Of course. Dad will take her to her daddy place.
Sorry, my princess. You'll be alright.
You are the girl that told the princess that royalty is not selfishness.
How?
Outside the stream the day it happened. I've been searching for you ever since.
Why?
See, I like your guts. I was wondering, if I had such guts, I would have taught that idiot that royalty is not power. See the way she was behaving as if the whole world lies under her pants.
Anyway, that is in the past now. How is she?
Who?
Your princess.
Please stop. Anyway, I heard she dared the gods and they've dealt with her. I wish she would die.
Ow! Don't say that. It is not in your place to wish her death. What you and I should do, or every other person in this community should do, is to pray for her survival.
Her survival?
Yes.
Oh, you have such a heart.
See, the most important thing in life is learning how to forgive someone. If she has wronged you in any way, find a place in your heart to forgive her. Please.
You are Namdi's cousin?
Yes.
Okay. I'll pay you a visit. Be good. Bye-bye. Bye.
Kelechi. 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 Kelechi, I just my name. Return me. My waist. My waist. Sorry.
Nandi is not bad.
I'm only
sorry. Nandi is not back yet.
When he comes back, tell him Nandi that in my next world, I will still be his grandmother and your own grandmother, no?
Stop sounding like this now.
Go, don't trust you to go with the man. To go.
Please stop sounding like this now. Nothing will happen
Yana mata je kwancara. Wata ga mishi buwa kuma.
Son waya ke iya jide na kai na lolo.
What are we even doing in this bush? Huh? I was thinking, we are hunting for bone of a lion.
It's a good question. That's a good question. But I'm not hunting to marry the princess. I'm only here to kill a lion and eventually kill the princess. Because I'm very sure that that girl must kill whoever that is married to her tomorrow. So if I can get the bone and the leaf, I'm sure the Igwe will give me the daughter. And I will turn to a big boy in this Obunka overnight.
Obunna, we have the same thing in mind. We all know that girl is a witch. She assumes so much arrogance. I simply want to become the king of Obunka. Yes. And if I ever become the king of Obunka, I will kill that idiot with my gun. Nice ideas. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Obunna, we want to marry the princess and be a very big boy. And eventually kill the princess. Very wonderful idea. Wonderful idea. Chidi, you want to marry the princess and kill the princess, then you become the Igwe of Obunka. This is your biabia. What is this boy doing here with us? A small boy like you are supposed to be in the stream. No good meeting with Thomas.
Or the more trading.
Huh? Then you follow us to come and search for Ogbobo. With this your biabia. Look at your head. You get you Obunka. Well, anyway, I thank you very much, and the gods will shower you with some blessings. But what I want to tell you now, I have a dream where this lion we are hunting eventually begin hunt for us. Would you make a soup? We, I'm telling you. So the best thing we will do now is to go. As for me, Ite, Otamata Ugonchara. So all the Kamanaba. I'm leaving. Ite, leaving. If they want to divorce, no, wait. They say if you get the bone, you marry the princess. I say I don't want to be Igwe. If I get the bone, I will become Igwe. Igwe. Lala, I don't want to be Igwe again.
You just want to leave us here.
I don't want the lion to use me for a lunch. Have you seen somebody that lion has used it for a lunch? If one year he marry a better. From here, Tim. Bye bye.
If they doesn't have faith, it is people like it that will come and discourage this for me, I must live here with her.
Don't you want? So one now, the brother. Tell me.
Did you find the bone?
Is that why you are laughing?
Don't you find it?
Are you laughing because of the bone or because of what?
Sorry. But did you find the bone?
I did not. It was a very subtle fetch. Do you know I went all those bushes. I could not find the bone. But when I got to Tupa Forest, a dog ran towards me. Big dog.
And what did you do?
I ran, of course. Why are you laughing?
Hey! Chineke! Maybe it was actually the gods that chased you away, or all those evil spirits. Those are spirits of the trees. But but you would have consulted the gods before going to the forest.
No! How many times have you heard of dogs chasing humans in the Tupa Forest? It's not a matter of consulting the gods.
You tried.
Do you know that so many men have sworn never to even try at all?
My only regret is that I couldn't find the bone. Because if I had found the bone, I will go and give it to the Igwe. Igwe will not give me a dugo. But I will be the Igwe. People like you will bow down when you see me, Igwe, then I will chop you like biscuit. I will be mounting on top of you like this. Like this. When you die, I say Igwe. Anyway, let me go and rest. It's not easy. I'm strong.
Hey!
Let me go and rest.
It's my friend.
It's not easy.
Watch it go. Igwe. Please don't harm me. I'm only here to obey the good heart of my grandmother, please. Please. I'm not here to disobey you in any way, please. Please. Let me live quietly, please. Please. I'm not here to disobey you, please. I'll go quietly, please. Please.
Nne is dead. Nnamdi gone to hunt. How do I know if Nnamdi is still alive? Although Nne assured me of his coming back. Let nothing happen to my brother.
Why are you pouring away your tears?
It's because of Nnamdi, my brother. I don't know if he's still alive.
Is that why you're crying? He will come back. I'll sleep with you tonight. I know you are alone. That's why I'm here.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
tell Igwe that the solution is right here. Go and tell him.
Where is this person? Who are you?
You want to know me? Or you want your daughter alive?
We want our daughter alive.
Then show me your daughter. But first, I need a pot and firewood. Let me prepare what I have.
We have a stove. Let me show you where the kitchen is.
No! No! Do as I said.
We shall do as you say. Please, come in.
Sent for me, Your Majesty.
I want you to go to Dibia Limbe in the EDOCHIE. Tell them I shall appreciate their presence here immediately.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I see the princess now?
Of course. Please, follow me.
Okay.
This is our room.
Tell any woman in here to leave. The man should wait. Alimbe, please come with me. The princess is well now. Oh, she's in a perfect condition.
Oh, the gods be praised. Oh, this is great news.
Yeah.
Well done. Elders, please join me here for our refreshment. Come for a little celebration. Thank you so much. We greet you well.
My princess.
We greet you well, my princess.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome.
Hey! Hey!
Who is that thing sitting in there? He just saved your life. He saved my life. Yes. Who is he? Who is he?
You know, I am very happy that you are back to your old self. In 2 market days, yes, in 2 market days, you will be married to that same man who saved your life.
What? Well, I thought we had an issue here to discuss. You want me to get married to that thing? I mean, that disgusting looking thing? Whose life did he save? Mine? No! I will not do it. I will never ever do it.
No, you will be quiet! When you attacked the shrine and tampered with the gods, did you ask anybody? Did you? And you listen to me. And you listen good. Your mother and I did not make this up. It was an order from the gods.
Adogo, if you do not marry that man, you will die. Father, that's the truth.
Kelechi, did you hear that the princess has been saved?
How?
My father said a strange man came with the bone and restored the princess.
Hey! 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 That means my brother Namdi is dead. That means my brother Namdi is dead. Somebody should come and help me! Oh! Somebody should come and help me! Hey, whoa! Hey, whoa! Oh! 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 Namdi! Namdi! Help! 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 Oh! 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 Hey! Help! Help! Namdi! Hey!
That is all I know that happened that day.
So they all gathered to watch Adogo the princess lying on the ground?
Before they brought in the news in the palace, I was sleeping. But we should have avoided all these shames if you had allowed us to go with you.
But is that the reason I should marry that stinking man with a smelling body odor?
Well, you have to decide. Because as for me, I'd rather take away my life than get married to that strange man.
Do you know what it means for the respected princess of Obunka to get married to that thing? Please talk to your father. It's not possible.
But they said that he saved my life.
And so what? If he saved your life?
And I will die if I don't marry him, so says the gods.
Are you serious?
Good day, my princess.
Yes, I am very serious.
I want to go and look for my brother's dead body.
Kelechi, stop having such thoughts. Biko, Nnamdi is not dead. If he is, would have gotten the news by now.
From who?
From the hunters of Ubonka.
I think it is better I go and look for his dead body than allow the vultures feed on it.
Let's wait for some days.
Nnamdi, if I had the slightest idea, I wouldn't have encouraged you to go. I wouldn't have encouraged you.
Relax.
Nnamdi,
relax. It's okay. Kelechi, relax. Relax. Kelechi. It's okay.
Do you want to die? The days are running out fast. If the gods could do what they did to you, just imagine what they will do to you if you don't marry that man.
Mom, do you suppose I marry that man?
What do you want me to do? I want you to remain alive for your father and I. Adugo, I want the best for you. Or do you think it's better to die this young? Think about it.
I heard the strange man is getting married to the princess tomorrow. I think we should just go and know, or probably hear if anyone knows your cousin whereabouts.
Have you seen the strange man?
Mba. That's why we should go and see for ourselves.
The gods have instructed, and we are prepared to abide by them.
Igwe!
ordained by the gods. I hereby give you my daughter's hand in marriage. You will cherish her.
Sure.
You will protect her.
Sure.
You will love her.
Sure.
And may your union be fruitful.
It's Your Majesty. My coin. Thank you. Thank you, my elder. You're welcome. Yes. Hey, my elder. Thank you very much. Hey. My elder. Thank you, thank you. My elder. Thank you, thank you. Hey!
Kelechi, are you okay?
Fine, sorry. How are you?
I'm fine. Anyway, latest news.
Has my brother been found?
No. It's just that the Igwe gave that strange man a new house.
That man deserves it. He saved the Igwe's daughter.
I wish it was Nnamdi.
My brother did not do anything to deserve a gift from the Igwe. He only agreed to save a soul. What do I do now? What do I do? What do I do?
Why are you always avoiding me? Did your father not tell you that we should love and cherish each other? Do you know how I battled to save your life? Do you know what it cost me for you to be alive? You had better stop avoiding me and begin to love me according to your father's wish. I don't want to get angry. Did you hear me? I said, did you hear me?
This man saved your life. And the gods have decreed that he becomes your husband. You have to make him happy. Treat him like your husband. No one dares the words of the gods.
I know what I suffered. I know how I fought the spirits of the forest. I should be loved and treated like a hero.
Indeed, you are a hero. You deserve to be loved. But she's only a child. Whatever wrong she must have done, endure it. With time, she will grow to love you.
Thank you, my queen. Why have you not given me food today? Did I offend you? I am the only one who wants you to live. That is why I took the risk. I did not want you to die. So don't kill me with hunger, please.
Did you just say please?
Yes, I beg you.
Okay. I want to ask you something.
Go ahead.
Why did you go for the search? To marry me, right?
No. That was the last thing on my mind. I only wanted you alive. You are pretty. The only fault you have is that you are wicked. Nobody wants to go for that search. And do you know what it means to kill a lion?
So you decided to take the risk, right?
Take your wickedness behind you and treat me like a hero. I suffered for your sake.
Wait, I want to understand something. You killed a lion?
Yes.
And you went for that search for my sake? I'm sorry. I am so sorry.
I am hungry.
Okay, I'm coming, okay?
You see, the days I spent in the bush, I was only eating little animals, like grass cutter and so on. I did not see good food to eat. I slept on the tree just for your sake. Please, love me, understand me. I'm a very good man.
I promise to love and understand you.
Please, give me more water to drink. The days I spent in the bush, I did not see good water to drink.
Okay, I'll get you more water. I'll get you. I see them come to beg for food. I always remember my twin brother who died in the land Tussle. I pleaded with my father not to let him go and fight. But he said, Udoka must fight. He must fight with his mates after the whole thing. My brother was amongst the men that their body came back.
Your father must have his reasons for taking that decision.
He said, Udoka is of age. He said he wants to be a king that his people should emulate. He said he has a grown son that he should go and fight with his mate, a prince of Ogunka. I don't know the kind of human being my father is. After my brother died, I lost it.
Stop crying, my dear.
If you have ever lost a blood brother, you will understand. You will understand how I felt when I saw my twin brothers dead body. When we were much younger, we used to eat together. We used to play together. We used to talk about a lot of things together. My father just allowed my brother just die like that. He claiming that he's a king and he's a good man. He just allowed him just die like that. Just like that.
And you destroy the shrine.
No, it wasn't my fault. The Dibia caused it. He caused everything. He twisted my ears when my father was angry with me. He was the same person that prepared them for that fight in the name of fortification that led to my brother's death.
Are you also aware that the people of Obunka hate you so much?
Yes, I'm aware. But after my brother died, I had this heartache. Okay, fine. Let me just ask you one question. If you lost someone so dear to you, I mean your blood brother, how would you feel? Would you feel same way like I felt? Yes, you're right. You're right. I know that I have caused them death and agony. But I don't know if they will ever forgive me.
Yes, they will.
How? What shall I do? What can I do?
Go to your father. Tender an apology to him for all you have caused him all these years. Tell him to give you all the food and other gift items he has been sharing to the people of Ogunka. They should start coming here to have them. And as soon as you start sharing and giving them those things, their hatred about you will surely transform.
Thank you.
Go to your father.
I will.
Do as I say.
Okay. I will. Those were my reasons for my abnormal behavior.
Udoka was my only son. Did you think that his demise in the land fight touched you more than it touched me?
Father, please forgive me. What would I have done without you and my mother? I know that I have brought shame and dishonor to your throne. I ask for forgiveness. Osinachi, please forgive me. Forgive me for all I've done to you. I know that I brought tears to your eyes. I know that I made you an offer. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. You're my sister. Please forgive me. Father, I want to ask you for a favor.
Ask, and it is done.
Please. All those things you want to give to your people. All those things you've been sharing to your people. I mean the food items. Like rice, yam, cocoyam, everything. I want to take them to my house. Yes. I want to share it to the people. I need their forgiveness.
My dear, it is done.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the advice. It really, really worked. Thank you so much.
That reminds me. Where are those maidens assigned to you in your father's house?
Oh, they are still serving in the palace.
Go, bring them here. They should be part of the sharing. Because all of you were in that rubbish. The people need to see them also.
Yes, I will do that. But thank you so much. They were so happy. They were all smiling and they were really, really happy. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Listen to me! I want you to look up! Look up!
Oh yes, I'm looking up.
Now close your eyes!
Close my eyes?
Yes!
Oh, yes!
Close your eyes!
Closing my eyes! I'm closing my eyes!
Now remain like that! Till I tell you to open it! Because if you open it, you are dead!
What? Oh, okay, yes, I will close my eyes. My eyes are closed. I will not open it. I will not open my eyes. I will not open my eyes. Oh. Hey.
Now wait for me! Wait for me!
Okay.
Now open your eyes and turn around.
What? Nandi!
Princess Adugo, do you remember me? I have a lot to tell you.
So tell me, has she seen you?
She just did. I just showed her.
And she was shocked.
She fainted. Kelechi, let's go.
Okay, wait, let me pack my things.
Come. You don't have to pack your things. Sweetie, everything you need is in that house. Every single thing.
Oh my.
Nne Mama, Agbara wine for bunka. Remember you promised you would reincarnate. I hope you will keep to your promise. It was terrible. I passed through a lot. I went through hell. But when I finally found the bone,
that girl does not deserve to live because she has tormented the people of Obunka. I want her to suffer a while. She must live with a different being. Pour the water on your body. Your body and size will change when you see changes and good behavior from her. Go back to any stream, river or lake and pour the water on your body. Your body will turn normal.
Go! Go!
and that was how I got transformed into that. But I'm happy. It's all history now.
Yes, this girl. This girl, you're laughing, right? God, this girl gave me a tough time. She was always attacking me, like, hi! But anyways, I like girls like you. You're really, really strong.
Look at who is talking. You. Tigress of Obunka. Anyway, thank God you've changed. Thank God. And as for both of you, always learn to tell the truth even if one is pointing a gun at your head. Huh? Maybe if you had advised the princess about those things, who knows, she would have listened to you.
Yes, if only they had advised me, I would have listened. But no, they didn't advise me. Instead, they followed me to go and destroy everyone. Yes! I'm so sorry.
It's okay, right? Wipe your tears.
Nothing stays the same. When love enters your life. enters your life, everything will change. When love touches your heart, nothing stays the same. When love enters your life, everything will change. Love has the power to destroy